How to get back your deleted TikTok account. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reactivate your deactivated TikTok account. So if you have deleted your TikTok account and for some reason you wanna reactivate it, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. So while deleting your TikTok account, TikTok says that your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During deactivation, your account won't be visible to public. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So between those deactivation period, you can actually reactivate your TikTok account. So as I have not completed 30 days since the day I deleted my TikTok account, I can easily reactivate my TikTok account. So to do that guys, what you're gonna do? First open up any browser on your smartphone and then go over to tiktok.com. And here if it tells you to open TikTok app, just ignore it and tap on not now. Now here click on this person icon at the bottom right and then tap on sign up. And then here click on login and here tap on use phone, email or username. Now here I'm gonna use my email or username. So here I'm gonna put the email address associated with my TikTok account. And then you have to write down your password. And if you have forgotten your password, you can watch this video on my channel. It's gonna help you to reset your password and you can easily create your new password. So once you put your password, here click on login and here verify it. Now you can see reactivate your TikTok account. Your account is currently under deactivation. If you want to cancel deactivation and recover the account, please tap reactivate below. Please note that you will need to log in the account again after cancelling deactivation and it may take a few moments for an account to be fully activated. So to reactivate your account, here tap on reactivate. Now here you need to refresh the page or here you can click on this three dot icon at the top right and you can see your manage account settings. So now let's go back and here it is. As you can see, I have successfully reactivated my TikTok account and this is how you can get back your deleted TikTok account. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to delete a TikTok video, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.